it as a First, the top news headlines. Ministry of External Affairs apprised of reported fracas over road construction work at the Indo-Myanmar border, says Chief Minister Biren. Indian Army bust NSC and IM hideout in Manipur, one active cadre held. JCILPS all set to observe 4th death anniversary of lamjingbatomtv Robin Hood. And rupees 1,600 crore approved by ADP for construction of Ring Road Elevator Highway in Imphal, says Chief Minister Biren. Good evening and welcome to Times of Manipur. This is SURAJ KH giving you the news. Now the news in detail. Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren Singh today said the Ministry of External Affairs has been apprised of the reported stalemate over the ongoing road construction work under PMJSY near Indo-Myanmar border pillar number 82. It has been reported by media that Myanmar Army threatened the officials and laborers being engaged in the road construction work there to stop the work. Biren was speaking to journalists on the sidelines of a mid-term council meeting of Indian Engineers Federation held at Classic Hotel Imphal. It may be noted that the road construction work is underway near Satang village, which is located about 27 kilometers from More town in Tengnopal district, Manipur. The Myanmar Army has reportedly claimed that the work has encroached upon Myanmar sector of the international border about 230 meters. Since the incident, all the laborers left the work site, sources said. Chief Minister Biren further said that he has asked Tengnopal Deputy Commissioner to submit a detailed report on the incident. The government has conveyed the matter to the Ministry of External Affairs, he said.
We are not getting the concrete information right now, and just you have mentioned now, then I will inquire about it, and we will not at any cost the boundaries, the land of the state, our state or India will not be compromised, and if they have encroached, definitely we will not accept it, we will close it, and I will convey to the Ministry of External Affairs if that kind of situation arises. I will take the report from the DC and I will do the needful. The situation to SPK to Korkan DC Korkan, what actually happening? India is a big country. They cannot force us.
lamjingbatomtv Robin Hood had laid down his life in 2015 during the height of Inner Line Permit System ILPS movement in Manipur. Years later, his father expressed his wish on erecting a statue of his departed son at Awaching, Imphal East, the place where Robin Hood was buried. Here is a report on this.
A couple of years back, the people of Manipur, backed by a large number of students under the banner of Joint Action Committee on Inner Line Permit System JCILPS, launched a sustained agitations to demand implementations of Inner Line Permit System here, which left many injured. On July 8 of 2015, Sapam Robin Hood, a student of Ananda Singh Academy, Imphal, perished in police action during the ILP movement. JCILPS is all set to observe his 4th death anniversary tomorrow at Awaching. Talking to Tom TV at his Kurai Lairikyambam Laikai residence, father of late Robin Hood, Sapam Romesh urged the masses to take part at the observance. It is also learned that Romesh has been a heart patient since the death of his son. He lamented that the Manipur government has failed to maintain the graveyard of Robin Hood properly despite its promises.
Chahi mari phajalla phawbada khoigi mamangda pangiba sarkar nasu karim gumamta khoigi sengot sagat pagi adegi magi yanagi ba wapamda kaimta tawiramdana loisangare aduga matung tarpa laiba sarkar hujik leiba sarkar sinasu khoigi leigidraba lamjing mera Robin Hood ki damakta khoigi yengjen biba amasung magi leiriba chingduda leiriba sengot sagatpana chingba mayamsi karigumbamta udabadongna tawasi mapa moina nungaijade aduga iroinana khoigi aina mapa moina pamjabadi aisu isasi patient nama adu hujik ti oijare oiredi isana leitra matungda aisi yam heart ki patient lama oire aise ngasi heng ki kanu leiba natte aduna isana leigidabagi matung sida aina pamjabadi aina hingi matam sida magi murti oiro adegi sum aine hek pamjaba murti ama haitare sakpham ama ujeningi leibak myam da ina haijaning babu sarkar gi mafam da su masigi post simtang di sarkar na su simtang tawbiraga di ai nungaini.
Mother of late Robin Hood, Sapam Babita, also appealed to the concerned authorities to translate their words into action.
Mama ID isa nena haijarubani dumiyam da sinagre adumiyam da sinagibdo hadaki marirak surbagi kolom magi palon tawdor sida miyam na saruk yabiyu aduga mateng chu pangbiyu aduga mana changjangi ba khongjang desu miyam na su isapi na su satra kuding mang na su mateng pangbituna yellow mi si kannabagi hona hausi mama I sigatani aina mama na hajaning badi.
Indian Army busted an NSCN-IM hideout at Kekrunaga village in Manipur on July 5th. An activity cadre of the group was also arrested. The security forces launched a well-coordinated operation after receiving a specific input regarding NSCN-IM cadres camping in village Kekrunaga and carrying out illegal extortion in general area Nungba. A well-coordinated operation was launched on Friday night. However, seeing the troops advancing towards their camp, the cadres fled, leaving a huge amount of arms, ammunition, tents, uniform and other warlike stores. Subsequent search led to the arrest of an active cadre of NSCN-IM who had discarded his uniform and was trying to merge with the local population, a report a defense minister released said. Recoveries include one M16 with 125 rounds, one SLR 26 rounds of AK and other warlike stores. Chief Minister of Manipur N. Biren today announced that Asian Development Bank ADB has already approved over rupees 1,600 crore for construction of a ring road and an elevator highway in Imphal, which has been accepted by the centre. He was participating in a mid-term council meeting of Indian Engineers Federation at Classic Hotel Imphal. The meet was organized by Engineering Association of Manipur under the aegis of Indian Engineers Federation. Forest and Environment Minister T.H. Syamkumar, retired PWD Engineer T.H. Joykumar, Chief Engineer T.H. Temba and Indian Engineers Federation Chairman Devanath took part in the meet. Biren said engineers play a pivotal role in development of a nation and added that efforts have been made to sort out problems faced by engineers.
And I look forward to working with the engineers to address issues and grievances about their service conditions and improving the skill level of its employees in all engineering department. And today I'm really happy after seeing the representative from the Eid state of the Northeast, and your teamworks will definitely bring our Northeast state in the map of the nation, and many challenges lying in front of you that we are here from the terrain, geographically very difficult terrain area. And it is your challenge, and you are the person who can come of all these challenges.
At the meet, participated by representatives of different engineering associations of Northeast states, issues faced by engineers were deliberated. Minister T.H. Shyamkumar underlined the need to consult engineers in every development work.
We cannot do this is also because engineer take construction. Whatever loudspeaker is using also no. But this one, if something wrong there, where's the engineer who is making this arrangement? This thing no, blame goes to the engineer. So without engineer, we cannot do anything. Anything wrong goes to the blame to the engineer. So we know the all. So please cooperate. And this midterm council meeting of Northeast regions bring prosperity and development, especially in the Northeast and very especially in the state of Manipur.
Manipur's Social Welfare and Cooperation Minister Nemcha Kipgen, who is also the first cabinet minister amongst Thadau's women, graced the second annual Thadau Nampi meeting held on 5th and 6th of this month at Charlotte, North California, United States of America. It was organized by the Thadau Nampi USA, addressing the Thadau diaspora on the occasion. Minister Nemcha lauded them for firmly connected to their roots despite residing miles away from their home by upholding their cultures and traditions in the best way. She also urged them to strive hard so as to contribute in the welfare and development of their state in particular and country as a whole. Further, Nemcha shared the in-depth history and facts on the Thadau tribe. She mentioned that the Thadau is one of the ancient people in the Southeast Asia and has a long history, tradition, culture and custom amongst others. Social Welfare Minister also highlighted the various welfare and developmental programs taken up by the government of Manipur to take the state towards betterment, and it is a people-centric government that believes in reaching out directly to the masses. On his note, she appealed the Thadau diaspora to participate in governance and share various innovative views and ideas that can be implemented for the development of the state. She called upon all to strive together and overcome the challenges to bring unity amongst all the communities. Cultural songs, dance and religious hymns were also performed by the Thadau Nampi USA as part of the function. Well, let's take a quick break, but coming up, local residents of Khurai continue protests against blast at local MLA Susindro.
Nationwide #1 oirakliba UNI Consultancy Private Limited na lowest package ta security amadi local guarantor piduna India ge khanaba state singda NRI quota da MBBS tamnaba amadi foreign countries singda MBBS tamnaba gi pandam da SBI gi on campus educational loan da natna lupa lakh amaga listing nimpu scholarship su second semester dagi semester khuding maki phanghangani free year ticket na traga lupa listing nimpu banga gi relaxation gi damak ngasimag youth library club uripok polem laikai gi mayok na badalai ba corporate office ta lakpiduna ngasimag contact Tobiu. Hena kupamarol gidama contact Tobiu 7005092567 amasung 90077786247. Aikoigi website www.247ununi.com.
Welcome back after the break. Local residents of Khurai Assembly constituency continued massive protests against the blast incident that occurred at the residence of local MLA El Susindro on Thursday. The protest was held at 24 different places of the constituency. Placards that read, "We strongly condemn the bomb blast, clarify the bomb attack," were held by the demonstrators. Speaking to Tom TV, one of the agitators claimed that the incident that the MLA's residence took place after he, as a representative, decried delay in distribution of 6 months pending NFSA rise in Khurai Assembly constituency.
Thawai hakchang yaungna MLA na wahi khara phongdok charubagi damakta chiengi mauta bom oina langchan biram baje akoi paja thamoi sokna nungai jade loina na masigi damakta karamba lupna kamai tongna tawiribano haibase paja miyam da khangan birau akoi madu yamna khangjaningi masiga loina na akoi gi Khurai kendra gi MLA na pham dadokani haibase paja miyam na suyam yajaningde pham ju thadok bigoi thadok biganu haibase akoi paja miyam na Khurai kendra gi miyam na support tawduna lepchari.
Communist Party of India Manipur State Secretary L. Sotin Kumar to demanded the Manipur government to erect a statue of Irawat at the Irawat Square prior to the celebration of Irawat Day on September 30th. The demand was raised by Sotin Kumar before a one-day political conference organized by CPI Thangmaival Local Council took place. Led by CPI National Executive Member Dr. M. Nara, saplings were also planted at Irawat Square located at Dilasing Khongnangkhong, Imphal before the political conference began at Thangmeiban Yumnam Likai. L. Sotin Kumar recalled that Irawat was an elected member of the first Manipur Assembly who went underground after the showed stiff opposition to creation of Purbanchan. He said that the Manipur government has promised to erect a statue of Irawat at Dilasing Khongnangkhong in front of Manipur Assembly complex, which has not been fulfilled till date. He reiterated the demand that the statue should be erected ahead of the Irawat Day.
Political conference asina ngasigi lengakta maruoina lakadoriba September ki tarikh 2019 ase masida Honorable Chief Minister na lokthokpi giba madudi Irawat ki murti soidana khilagani haiduna sakpi ki wasagado japchana pangthokpiu haiduna aikoi madugi aduma demand tabu oinasu sumba upan thaba social service amadi Irawat Square se Sengut Sagat Pagi Tabakta, Communist Party, Thangmeiban Local Council, Tawa Yauna Honazaribani.
The Wangu Bridge constructed over the Imphal River to connect Kumbi constituency and Wangu constituency is yet to be completed. In this regard, President of Mystery Investigation Club Wangu Mamang Sabalekai, Amom Shashi Kumar, told media persons that due to the failure in completing the bridge, people living in the surrounding areas are facing difficulties, particularly school-going children, as they have to travel for a distance of around 3 kilometers to reach the other side of the river.
Hana ekoi phajana thong se leirami aduga sumaina yotna saramde ekoi will sard haidana arsina phajana saraga leirambani adubu khudong thiba thodom adagi ekoi tekre adudagi amuk sarame thong se amuk yotna asiso amuk phajana savidabadagi haiba tare ko sidagi ekoi truck ama lalakpadagi maroina masi karigino haiba matamda ekoi heavy load sing se lan bhai tare ko thong sida heavy load sing se lan bani maramdi sigi lambi se suki matik maroiba main road ni sida Chuchampur aduga Moirang ekoi district ani se phauna ba matamda ayamba gari sing se chatpa haiba tare ko transport ki amna maroiba thong amani adubu phajana thong se equip tawraga phajana sadabadagi truck se tawraga sumaina mamang sahida tekhibani aduna thong se tekhibadagi de asuki mate awaba nangi maramdi ekoi nakal ani sida chatna river lambi yamna koina haiba tare ko koina chatpa aduga satra sing even hojikti semak kitang semak padagi masida yam wana cycle se thangaga angang sing school chatpa somdagi so asomda chatpa low uba aduga transport aduga ekoi district ama lange even Champur chake yam waba khudong thiba even barada phauba suki matik mayong nai hai tare ko.
The construction of Nurathel Ching water supply scheme at Wangu Mamang Sabalekai of Sugru constituency was started in 2012, but it lies unfinished and non-functional till date. Some villagers paid an inspection visit to the construction site today. Amom Modhu, a resident of Wangu Mamang Sabalekai, told reporters that the villagers in the area are facing difficult problems due to the lackadaisical attitude of the concerned authorities. He appealed to the related government department to expedite work to finish the water supply scheme and solve the water scarcity issue in the area.
Alauji ising pangdana hoji yama wala dana kwe handakta ising aji sagolambi ising chingi hoji akoi mama lekai da ising handakta chingri nububa chingri sidagi ching mangakta ni ising che cha adu sana bai puki da tingchilaga physically tharaga sana bani hab asi problem ji laibani na koi na nungai jadana asi matang loiradi ko haina khanjabani haba masigi asi matik chana lairagadi wangjing kuno chayen bok pi bangam haba si ising che adu sina sembi dabani na upai ta chayen dagi tawraga takhalak pachi di upai letre hoji na masi mapam jing tong sembi ragadi akoi basi ayamba wangjing kuno ne chayen ne pangandabi ne koi chine wangu tera sabam bok yobu yani haba
sing habasiti miwe be hing bra chang baya chang dra baya dra ba posam wai bina apha sing che pi wai na sarkar gi makai na si so ka wai na sarkar gi makai sim dei na aina haining sadana lo sil sum lei base siti miwe be gi siti chana bira antaga mayam da pajada thabak to na hai khuti yaw na thabak kamai to na parja gi awa badi yeng na kai thabak to je akhoi si so ka na sim dei na sarkar gi makai ta thamni.
Coordination Committee Corcom is observing its 8th Raising Day tomorrow. In a press release, Corcom Media Coordinator M. Sakhen stated that on behalf of the organization, he is conveying his word of thanks and respect to all the members of the organization who had laid down their lives, all like-minded organizations and the public for extending support to the organization. Further commenting on the current political crisis and law and order situation in the state and also the increasing rate of crime against women and children, Sakhen attributed it to blatant human rights violation. We are heading to another break, but coming up, tree plantation continues as part of 70th Van Mahotsav.
Live, bringing you the public voice. Starting on 8 July 2019 at 11 a.m. only on Times of Manipur, Tom TV.
Saraswati Coaching Institute, Chingmairong, Khongnang Karak, Imphal. Admission open. Class 11 Science Foundation Course 2019. Starting of class 15 July. Medical Regular Course for NEET UG 2020. Starting of class 15 July. NEET UG Successful Candidates for 2019. Sanalu Gangmei, Wardo Dilbung Lamkang, Muhammad Nashiruddin Sa, L. Yohenba, Nima Naurem, Kate Chela Devi, Narosa Chabungbam, Chandan Larin Lakpam, Supriya RK, O. Philip.
Welcome back. In connection with this 70th Van Mahotsav 2019, several trees were planted at the campus of Highway English School, Chandrapur in Jiribam district. Around 200 saplings were planted by the school staff and Central Management Committee of the school. Addressing the event, Chairman of the school, C.H. Sunamanu Singh, said that the trees were planted to mark the 70th Van Mahotsav.
Environment conservation, environment conservation कोई दरकार तारे बसे कोई की उवा पांबी था बगी दरकार तारे ग्रीन रूप से दरकार तारे असिंगा मतलब यान मोरू पर चीज़ कोई जोकट पा अमसों कोई की environment जी की जगह कोई ecological system करे इवा कोई मुझे चुनथों ने भी चांथों ने भी देखो अमसों filtration डालने के तो फायदे मोरू ऐसे पांबी ने तरह कोई जीव को निमक हिमंगमती पामी ना ख्वाइदे मरु बनी अदन बिबुं खुदिबांगना कोई पामी से ख्वाइदे मरु ने खनबिरगा पामी थाबगी थबक थरमसिदा कुन जंबिउ हाइबसे मयाम पुनमक्सु अपील तौजे.
A team of Aptitude Fitness Studio Kwakaithel visited Hope Home Imphal Children Home at Tagel Khongban, Maninglekai. The event consisted of a short speech on how to stay fit and healthy, distribution of stationeries and food items to the children, which was followed by a tree plantation program. Owner and head trainer of Aptitude Fitness Studio Kwakaithel, Kaisam Reena, said that interested children at the home can avail lifetime free registration for fitness exercise like aerobic, Zumba and cardio.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯂꯥꯛꯏꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯍꯦꯜꯗꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯣꯏꯅꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕꯒꯤ ꯐꯣꯀꯁꯇꯁꯨ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯂꯥꯛꯆꯕꯅꯤꯀꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯗ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯖꯅꯤꯡꯕꯗꯤ ꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯣꯔꯐꯥꯟ ꯍꯣꯝꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯑꯦꯔꯣꯕꯤꯛꯁ ꯖꯨꯝꯕꯥ ꯀꯥꯔꯗꯤꯑꯣ ꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕꯗ ꯌꯥꯎꯕꯤꯅꯤꯡꯕ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯌꯥꯎꯅꯤꯡꯕ ꯂꯩꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯦꯞꯇꯤꯇ꯭ꯌꯨꯠ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯨꯗꯤꯑꯣꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯂꯥꯛꯄꯤꯌꯨ ꯐ꯭ꯔꯤꯒꯤ ꯂꯥꯏꯐꯇꯥꯏꯝꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯐ꯭ꯔꯤꯗ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯌꯥꯎꯕꯒꯤ ꯈꯨꯗꯣꯡꯆꯥꯕ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯄꯤꯖꯔꯅꯤ.
MLA S. Bira Singh of Kumbi Assembly Constituency distributed 5 pump sets to farmers, draw water from nearby water sources during a simple function held at his Wangu residence yesterday. The pump sets were distributed to help the farmers of Kumbi constituency to fight the dry spell and reduce their miseries to some extent. The pump sets were given under Agricultural Department for those farmers who do not have means for lift irrigation and have water sources. MLA S. Bira Singh said that the pump sets were distributed to solve the water shortage faced by the farmers due to scanty rainfall this year phase-wise manner.
Saruk khara se mase koi gi napat tangjeng nalagi porayang bi Wangu nalagi kumbi gi saiton harba koi gi kun manga se sida.
Finishing nearly 5,000 meters above sea level after hundreds of kilometers, winding past blackened glaciers and snow-capped peaks, A new Pakistani race presents a world-class challenge for cyclists climbing towards the roof of the world. The Tour de Kunjaraab, its name a homage to its more famous French counterpart, which began yesterday. The Kunjaraab Tour is an attraction for the most daring and adventurous cyclists in the world. Cyclist starts at 1,500 meters above sea level and never stops climbing. 5 ambulances were on standby in case of emergencies in the final stage, he said, adding a majority of the cyclists made it, but the support staff needed ambulances.
This race is still very much in its infancy.
Let's now have the top stories of today's newspaper headlines.
The Shanghai Express. One's love for party must be shown by date, asserts Birain. Wind sweeps away rain-bearing clouds. MPCC seeks governor's intervention. 5 vehicles recovered. The People's Chronicle. At BJP event, Birain Bishwajit say no political crisis in government. Bhabananda talks tough against fund misuse. Crisis in state, center should intervene, says Gaikhangam. Police suspects involvement of RPF in warehouse blast. RPF rejects claim. MLA Susindro mulls resignation. Bodies oppose stand. Imphal Free Press. Helpless farmers resort to protest. Storms all secretariat. State BJP begins membership drive. Birain confident of BJP securing not less than 40 seats in 2022 assembly election. MLA Susindro announces to resign. Local bodies submit memorandum to Chief Minister. No more outside district contractors for development works, says KNFN. MLA demands for full-fledged blood bank facilities. The Morning Bell. Petrol price hiked by Rs 2.45 per litre. Diesel by Rs 2.36 following tax hike in budget. Will be tough for BJP to come back to power once it loses public trust, says Chief Minister. Visit paddy fields to know who to give the pump sets, farmers tell Agri Department. Kidnapped chief rescued. CM condemns ISKCON incident. Manipur Mail. Farmers protest failure to combat drought. Government facing constitutional crisis, says Gaikhangam. AES outbreak. Assam government keeps leaves of doctors, paramedics on hold. Congress working committee should choose young leaders as Congress president, says Amarinda.
Before we wind up, let's have a quick look at the top news headlines. Ministry of External Affairs apprised of reported fracas over road construction work at Indo-Myanmar border, says Chief Minister Birain. Indian Army bust NSC and IM hideout in Manipur, 1 active cadre held. JCILPS all set to observe 4th death anniversary of lamjingbatomtv Robin Hood. And Rs 1,600 crore approved by ADB for construction of Ring Road Elevator Highway in Imphal, says Chief Minister Birain. Well, that's all for now. Keep watching Times of Manipur.
Thank you.